Welcome back to InfyGyan. In this video, we will be solving one very interesting question from rational equations for the real values of x. So let's get started. We will write denominator cannot be 0. So x can't be negative 3 over 2 and negative 2 over 3. Now I will take 2 common from the numerators only. So I can write 2 times 3x plus 2 over 2x plus 3 whole cube plus 2 times 2x plus 3 over 3x plus 2 whole cube equal to 12 square 144. Now I will take 2 common out. It will come out as 8. 2 cube is 8. So we can write 8 times 3x plus 2 over 2x plus 3 whole cube plus 2x plus 3 over 3x plus 2 whole cube equal to 144. Now we will divide both sides by 8. So this will be over. Right hand side we will cancel. We will get 18. So I can write 3x plus 2 over 2x plus 3 whole cube plus 2x plus 3 over 3x plus 2 whole cube equal to 18. Let me write our equation once. Here it is. Now we will assume our substitution. Let's say first bracket is a. So let me write 3x plus 2 over 2x plus 3 equal to a. Then our second bracket will be 1 over a. So I can write our equation a cube plus 1 over a cube equal to 18. Now I will use another substitution. Let's say 1 over a plus a equal to t, or a plus 1 over a equal to t. Now I will use a plus 1 over a whole cube formula, a plus b whole cube, which will be writing a cube plus 1 over a cube plus 3 times a times 1 over a times a plus 1 over a. So LHS will be t cube equal to a cube plus 1 over a cube, 18, plus 3 times a will be cancelled out, t. So we will get one cubic equation, t cube minus 3t minus 18 equal to 0. Now we will solve using method of factorization. But before that, friends, if you are an Olympiad aspirant or planning to do preparation for SOF, Crest, Unicrest, Silver Zone, Asset, ITO, Hummingbird from grade 2 to grade 10, then Olympiad Success offers you live interactive sessions, PYQs, tests and many more. Please check out the description box for further details and use referral code GYAN15 to get 15% discount. Let's come back to our problem. So our cubic equation was t cube minus 3t minus 18 equal to 0. Now I will split minus 18. So I will write minus 3t minus 27 plus 9. This is minus 18. So we can write t cube, 27 I can write 3 cube, then minus 3t plus 9. Let's apply aq minus bq formula. So we can write t minus 3 times t square plus 3t plus 9. And then from last two terms, I will take minus 3 common out. So in the bracket, t minus 3 equal to 0. Now t minus 3 is overall common. In other bracket, we will be writing t square plus 3t plus 9 minus 3 equal to 0. So we can write t minus 3 times t square plus 3t plus 6 equal to 0. So from here we can conclude either t minus 3 will be 0 or quadratic t square plus 3t plus 6 equal to 0. Let's solve both the equations one by one. So our first equation was t minus 3 equal to 0. So we will write t will be equal to 3. Now t was our substitution. This was a plus 1 over a. So I will write a plus 1 over a equal to 3. Let's solve this equation first. Now I will multiply both sides by a plus 1 over a times a equal to 3a, or a square plus 1 equal to 3a, or we can write a square minus 3a plus 1 equal to 0. Now equation is quadratic, we can use quadratic formula. So a will be equal to minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac over 2 times a. So I can write minus of minus 3, 3 plus minus square root of b square minus 3 square 9 minus 4 times 1 times 1, which is 4, over 2 times 1, so 2. So we will be getting 3 plus minus square root 5 over 2. Two values of a. A was again our substitution. So I will write a equal to 3 plus minus square root 5 over 2. A was our substitution, 3x plus 2 over 2x plus 3 equal to 3 plus minus square root 5 over 2. Now I will split RHS. I will write 3x plus 2 over 2x plus 3 will be equal to 3 over 2 plus minus square root 5 over 2. Now I will subtract 3 over 2 from both sides. So 3x plus 2 over 2x plus 3 minus 3 over 2 equal to plus minus square root 5 over 2. Now I will take LCM. So I can write, let me write equation once. So here I will write 2 times 3x plus 2 minus 3 times 2x plus 3 over 2 times 2x plus 3. RHS is plus minus square root 5 over 2. Now we can cancel this denominator 2 from both sides. Now I will expand 6x plus 4 minus 6x minus 9, and denominator is 2x plus 3 equal to plus minus root 5. Now plus and minus 6x will be over, so we will get minus 5 over 2x plus 3 equal to plus minus square root 5. Now we can write this 5 as square root 5 times square root 5. Let us write minus square root 5 times square root 5 over 2x plus 3 will be equal to plus minus square root 5. Now we will cancel root 5, so it will be 1 only. I can write minus root 5 over 2x plus 3 equal to plus minus 1. Or I can write minus 1 over 2x plus 3 equal to plus minus 1 over root 5. Now I will consider reciprocal both sides. So minus of 2x plus 3 will be equal to plus minus square root 5. Switching of numerator and denominator. Multiply this equation with negative 1. So I can write 2x plus 3 equal to minus plus square root 5, which is same as plus minus square root 5. Now I will take away 3 from both sides. So 2x will be equal to minus 3 plus minus square root 5. Divide both sides by 2, we will get our final answer, x equal to minus 3 plus minus square root 5 over 2. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.